Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me to introduce myself. My name is Romi Dengoran Sregar, name 1805048. I'm from Diploma 4 of Cultivation Plantation. Now I want to explain about my essay. The title is The Importance of Technology in Indonesian Plantations. In Indonesia, the plantation sector cannot be separated because Indonesia is still an agricultural country. Therefore, the plantation sector plays an important role in the community's economy. The Indonesian plantation sector has never been separated from the problems that make it difficult every year. And one of the problems in the plantation sector in Indonesia is plantation technology. With the role of plantation technology, it is hoped that it can improve the quality of plantation products in Indonesia and make it easier for plantation sector managers to get optimal work result. However, plantation technology in some areas may not be suitable to be applied as a whole because it still has to consider several factors such as natural condition, experts who operate the equipment, and community knowledge about plantation technology tools. Plantation technology innovation plays an important role in increasing productivity, given that increasing production through land expansion. Extensification is difficult to implement in Indonesia. In the midst of widespread conservation of productive agricultural land to non-agricultural. The large land conservation area occurred in Java Island at 54% and Sumatra 38%. The large change to transform land are into village lands or residential lands 69% and industrial estates 20%. Progress and development in any field cannot be separated from technology's advance. The revolutionary plantation revolution by the invention of machines and new methods in the field of agriculture. If there are no changes in the technology sector, it will be difficult to develop plantation. Production has stopped increasing, and it can even decrease due to decreased soil fertility or increased damage by rampant pests and diseases. Examples of technology innovation in the plantation sector are sensor technology and automation technology. The first, sensor technology can provide real-time and concrete data to farms. The technology sensor that is currently being developed is a technology sensor for plants that use drones to get a variety of data, such as the growth of pests, diseases, and other problems. This technology is widely developed in large-scale oil palm plantation. With this technology, the use of pesticides and other chemicals can be more targeted and efficient, thereby reducing the negative impact on the environment. But automation technologies, the implementation of automation like this is still very simple. However, now a more complex automation system has been developed in the Netherlands. The application of innovation in rural areas of Indonesia is closely related to the implementation of extension service. Field extension works play an important role in introducing plantation technology innovation to farms. The role of extension in literature is not only introducing technology to farms, but also increasing to the capacity of farms to be able to independently run their business. My reasons for increasing the use of technology in the plantation sector are to make work easier and get more optimal result, and use technology that is more environmentally friendly and at a more affordable price. I think enough about my essay, and thank you.